What's up, everybody? You know it's Technicians Tuesday, and it's just going to be another 34 Venturious day today. We got so much done on the venture that we have enough for another video. We're just down to punch listing this project, and soon we'll be offshore listening for those reels to start clicking. And now that those Smoky Bandit clunker engines with that Mack truck steering system and those engine-killing shift boxes have been evicted from this vessel, we'll be able to hear those reels sing out all day. We had just finished up installing all of the gauges and electronics in the dash when we left off last time. So we started out by getting the compass put in, then the new steering helm, the digital throttle and shift control box, and 4 brand new JL audio speakers with 2 in the front and 2 in the back. With the steering system in and some extras put in, we kept on knocking out the punch list. With a big portion of our punch list done, there is still a lot of hours of work left to do. If you haven't noticed what has been left out yet, then you're really going to enjoy this next part. It's time to begin straightening out that rat's nest of wires that we currently have inside the console. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up our day here on this Technicians Tuesday. I hope you've enjoyed watching this part 2 of the venture coming together. It's been a huge project, but we are finally getting towards the end of it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on next week's video, and if you like this second part of the venture, click that like button for us and let us know what your favorite part of the venture is in the comment section below. Check us out at bornagainboating.com, and like always, enjoy the rest of your Tuesday night, and we'll see you next week.